to make a video on the principles of the number 9. Now, we've seen a lot of videos that talk about how 9 is 1 less than 10, and anything that multiplies by 9 equals 9. And so if you were doing, like you've seen before, you go 9, and then you go 18, and 27, and 36, and 45, so on and so forth. And you know that everything equals 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Nice. We're going to do a show something different. We're going to show the principle of 9 as far as multiplying. So we'll start with a very small number, relatively small, and we'll multiply this times 9. Okay? I'm going to show you the principle of 9. Now, the first thing you want to look at is, it's going to be your end point. So I'm going to put a 0 here, just so it's the end. And I'll do this, make a line. So your answer is going to go underneath. Now, first thing we want to do is every number starting from the second will be a multiple of 9. First one is going to be a multiple of 10. And the last number will be subtracted by 1 to balance it out. Okay, so you go, what and 1 makes 10? That's a 9. Then you say 7 and 2 is 9. So you add the 2 and 1, and that's 3. Here is 7, and 7 is 14. So you go 4, and you put a little dot because you got a little carry. This time is going to be 0, but it's 1, and 2 is 3. And then the last, you're going to reduce it by 1, and it's going to be an 8. So that's your answer. So you got 8, 3, 4, 3, 9. Now, how do you know this is the right answer? You can make sure it equals 9. So by doing a digit sum. So we know that this is a 9. Okay. We know that this is 7. Okay. 15 and 3 is 18. So it equals 9. 18 is 9. It's 1 and 8 is 9. So that's the right answer. Okay. Now let's do it again. And I'm going to explain more of the concept. More room on the page here. Okay. So again, let's do another number. Let's go 7, 2, 6, 1, 4 times 9. And again, it's just to get our end result here, put in our line. Okay, again, 4 and what makes 10? It's a 6. This will be an 8, and 4 is 12. So put down 2, and you got a little carry. Then you're going to go 3, but it's 4. 1 is 5. Put in a 5. Here it's a 7, and 6, 13, 3, carry. This is a 2, plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 5. Reduced by 1, it's a 6. And you're done. Now, again, that's my answer, but let's make sure we didn't make any mistakes. Let's eliminate all 9s. So we know that, let's see here, let's find some 9s. Let's go 6, 7, 8, 13. 13 is a 1 and a 3, which is a 4. 5, 6, 7. And we've got 7 is 12, which is a 3. And 6 is 9. So it all evened out. Okay? It worked out. So you can trust that it works. But the thing about this is this will take away a lot of your interpretation about using 9 and knowing how it breaks down. Let's do one more. Find some on my page here. Over here. And we'll do another one. We might even do that. We did one more for now. And let's use a relatively smaller number. 2, 4, 6, 2, 1. And we always use that to know where we end up. Times 9. Okay? Again, watch a little more than once, but get the concept. First one. What and 1 makes 10, it's 9. It's going to be a 7, 1, 8, 3, 2, 5. 5, 6 is 11. Carry the 1. 8, because 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 and 4 is 12. Carry the 1. This time you would reduce by 1, but because there's a 1 there, you just bring it down. It's done. Again, you want to make sure it equals 9. Well, it's a 9 there. This 8 and 1 is also a 9. And this is 4 and 5. It's 9. So it's correct. And very quick. Again, you can challenge your friends to do this. They will not be able to do this as quickly because they won't understand the concept of 9. And we'll do just one more so you can say that you've practiced enough. We'll use larger number this time. 7, 8, 9, go 5, 6, and we'll go 7, and we'll go 4 times 9. Okay, here we go. Put end result here. Put a line here. And let's start. Again, this would be a 6, because that's 10. It's a 2. 2 and 4 is 6. 3 and 7 is 10. Put a little dot there. This would be a 5, because 4 and 1 is 5. And 6 is 11. 1. Carry a dot here. This is 0, but it's 1, 5, 6. This is 1, and 9 is 10. Carry a dot. This is 3, right? 3 and 8 is 11. So put down the 1. We got a dot here. Means we don't have to reduce this by 1. We bring the 7 down, and we're done. Now let's see if we can eliminate our 9s. Okay, well, we got 7, 8, 9, and 6 times 3 is 18, which equals 9. So it's correct. And you're done. Okay, so this is a great technique. It's really important that you understand this, utilize it. Don't be afraid. You can do it with small numbers if you want to practice it in the same way. It doesn't really make any difference. You can do that. It always works out for you. But just make sure that the answer always equals 9. And you see here that this is a 12 and 6 is 18. So I mean it's gonna work for you. But just practice it. Make sure you understand it. If you do make a mistake, if it doesn't equal 9, then you made a mistake somewhere, you go back through. But this is a great technique. And I can't tell you how much this has saved me, over the years, multiplying by 9. Just so much time, so useful. And you'll find application for it in your own life. But this is a great technique. And that's what I'm all about. Life Academy is not about just showing off, but giving you skills that you can use for your life. Hopefully you'll use it in your life and pass it on to your friends, your students, your family, whatever, and make sure these techniques are not lost in time. So this is what I want to give you, these great techniques. So again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and also watch it again. Get techniques down. Make your own video. Show off the skills. Have a great day. Bye-bye.